Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you one simple trick to fix Google Chrome. This site can't be reached. So all what you want to do is go to the top corner here, click on those three dots, click on the settings, and after that click on this privacy and security. Click on security and scroll, click on no protection. Even though that it's not recommended, as you can see, this does not protect you against dangerous websites, downloads and extensions. So all what you want to do is please make sure that actually you want to do it if it is important, and after that go back and make it in the standard or the enhanced protection. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.